Simply remove the device. You will need to unscrew the device at the bracket and at the ring. Unscrew the device at the bracket first. Remove the float. Screw the tube back into the bracket. Unscrew the tube from the ring. Add a few ounces of diesel fuel to the tube, almost up to the air hole. Carefully insert the float so that it floats in the diesel fuel. Carefully screw the tube back into the ring, taking care that the fuel injector does not push the float down. Check that the flaps are still latched, and reinstall the device.